so beautiful. I love this.
A fost foarte frumos.
It was the most amazing experience
Extraordinar.
in Sri Lanka. We saw 7 whales and I think it was the most amazing safari ever.
Cea mai frumoasă
Thank you so much.
experiență.
And the captain is the best.
Pretty good. Perfect.
We just went out to go whale watching on the beautiful plain, and we saw 2 whales, 2 blue whales, and
Their body, the whole body.
the whole body.
Sensational.
It was absolutely fantastic.
Whales themselves were magnificent, and I thoroughly enjoyed the flight.
The flight was good. We saw whales.
Very good pilot.
Nice pilot, nice and smooth, and got a good view of the coastline as well.
Yeah.
It was nice. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.